Let us take up the biomechanics brief introduction, part 3. Part 3, which deals with the movement and their angles. Movements of human body. Human movements, as said, are very complicated and are definitely controlled by brain. Brain sends signals to the muscles to contract and relax in order to perform both simple and complex movements. Now consider an example of simple movement. You can see in the video that a person is just trying to move only one joint. So simple movement are single joint, single plane or uniplanar, voluntarily performed. That is the meaning of simple movement. Complex movement is nothing but exactly opposite. So complex movement are multiple joint, multiple plane, but done voluntarily. For example, throwing a ball. We just now learned that. Thus, like said previously, movements can be of two types, simple, complex. Simple is single joint, single plane. Complex is multiple joint, multiple plane. Example can be bending elbow, straightening it, lifting shoulder up and down, hip up and down. Complex movement example are squatting, walking, running, not sitting. Sitting is a posture, whereas sit to stand is a movement, which is a complex movement. Now let us learn few simple movements which can come for your exam. First one is flexion. Flexion meaning forward bending. We just learned in the previous video that biceps brachii bends your elbow forward. So thus forward bending of any joint of the upper limb, upper extremity or of the hand, elbow and shoulder is known as flexion. The knee is exception. Please don't forget knee joint. It's exception for forward bending only. Knee flexion is in backward direction. Okay, look at the video. That is the forward bending performed by biceps brachii muscle. Extension is backward bending or straightening, which occurs at almost all the joint, excluding the knee. Extension meaning forward bending. Okay, so this is the video for triceps brachii, which is doing extension. You can see the muscle bulking out when it is very much active. Just remember this for now. Muscle is bulking out when it is very much active. Okay, abduction and adduction. Again, as flexion extension are opposite to each other, abduction adduction are opposite to each other. Abduction meaning away from the body, sideways up. Adduction meaning towards the body, sideways down. You can see in the video, abduction is away from the body upwards. Adduction is towards the body downwards, which is only occurring in the side plane, not front and back plane. Abduction and adduction do not occur at knee and elbow. They only occur at shoulder, wrist, finger, hip, ankle and toes. So it is very easy to understand. Remember, they do not occur at knee and elbow. The last one, rotation. There are two types of rotation. Again, opposite to each other, internal and external. These are also known as inward rotation and outward rotation. You can see in the video when the person is touching the stomach, it is inward and exactly opposite is outward. So inside is touch the stomach, outside is away from the stomach. These movements occur only at shoulder and hip. They do not occur at any of the joint. Now we just now learned the simple movements, right? Always remember that simple movements only occur at the periphery. That is your upper and lower limb. Whenever you talk about spine, they are very complicated. Let us discuss spine movement or complex movement in the future coming videos. Thank you.